If you're struggling with indigestion, bloating, body pain, hair loss, I'm going to be showing you how to use a special spice that has a lot of health benefits and nutrients. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Uziza seed. It can also be called Ashanti pepper or West African black pepper to make your infused oil. This African black pepper will help to boost your metabolism, support digestion, and also for general wellness. So to make this, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of Uziza seed or African black pepper, and I'm going to be blending this into a fine powder so that all the nutrients from the seed will enter into the oil. So when I'm done crushing the seeds, this will help to release their natural properties into the oil. So I'm going to be adding the blended Uziza or Ashanti pepper into the jar. So you can add any oil of your choice, like sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, almond oil. Add enough oil to cover the ingredient. When I'm done adding the oil, you can stir to mix properly and leave this to infuse for some days, or you can decide to use the double boiler method to extract all the nutrients into the oil. So I'm going to be using the double boiler method to extract all the active compound into the oil. So after the double boiler method, you can strain to get the oil, or you can decide to leave the oil and be scooping the oil whenever you want to use. The Uziza seed or Ashanti pepper is ready. This oil is rich in natural plant properties. It has a warming and soothing effect. This is a multi-purpose herbal oil that can be used for your hair, your skin, and you can also add it to your meal.